Here I'm going to create web template using grid. I already create HTML and CSS file, and I also link up the CSS file with HTML file. In my body tag, I'm going to create a container tag. In this container, I'm going to create a wrapper tag. In this wrapper tag, I'm going to add a header tag for heading, and also I create a side tag for sidebar, a main tag will be added. Finally, I'm going to add a footer tag. Done. For HTML tag, in this my CSS file, I'm going to set some basic reset margin 0, padding will be 0, and box size will be border box. That's all. That's all I said, because of some unnecessary margin and padding will be removed and border style will be removed. So I said it there. My container will be 100%. And max width will be 1250 px, and margin will be 0, up and down will be 0, and left and right will be auto. This means the container will be center. Okay, and in my wrapper wrapper, I set display grid, so you can't see anything right now, but I apply display grid there. Grid gap 1 rem. Okay, so I can see there is a gap between each other, and grid template column will be like 200 pixel and 1 FR. Okay, so each column will be 200 pixel, also 1 FR. Okay, and my header grid column will be 1/3. Okay, I mean whole column, the header will be whole column, it's been 1/3. Okay, and the background color will be, I set HSL 170 50%, and I said like 60%. Let's see. Okay, and I will set padding to rem, so it will be look much better. And my aside will be take aside background color it's the same. I set the same colors and I'll set the row, grid row will be 2 by 4. Okay, and padding I'm going to set for RM, and my main is same like this background color. Okay, footer will be footer background color is also same. HSL. Okay. Main column, grid column, I will set here grid column 2 by 3. Okay, and padding I'm going to set a 10 RM so it looks a little nicer, and footer I'm going to set exactly the same the header, so padding will be 2 RM. Okay, so this is kind of web template you can use in your web page. So right now I'm going to show you something like different and easy way using grid area. Grid template area. Okay, so here I'm going to set another wrapper. Okay, I call it wrapper 2. In this wrapper 2 I'm going to set exactly same the header. Aside main and footer. I set it in the wrapper 2. Okay, I cut all this thing and paste it in the wrapper, so now it's okay. So it is separate from the wrapper 1 between wrapper and wrapper 2. And now I am going to add wrapper 2 for style. my repertoire, I'm going to add display grid, and here I will not say anything difference between each, and margin I'm going to set for 2 rem. Is anything wrong there? It's okay. No, it's okay. Margin top only 2 rem. And in my header tag I'm going to add a grid area. I'm going to call I'm going to give a name header, same as site tag. I'm going to give grid area name will be sidebar, okay, and main grid area, main name will be main, and the footer name will be footer. So basically I have defined every tag's name first, then I'm going to wrapper container. In this wrapper container I'm going to set grid template column. How many column I need like 2 column. Suppose I write 2 columns as like before, 200 pixel and 1 effort. Okay, and everything out of the box. Okay, one effort. Then I'm going to add grid template area. Each string, each cell in the string represent column. Each cell in the string, this string represent a column. This header is the 1 column, so I'm going to header, so it's 1 column. Okay, so header took 4 columns. Before I'm doing this, I'm going to add some colors so it look I can identify the where I am now. So background color pixel hue, I write 120, %. Lightness I'm going to say 80%. Okay, I set everything the same color. Okay, and next row I say sidebar and main. Okay, there will be not semicolon. Okay, and I'm going to add a grid gap here. One rem and footer will be footer. I'm going to width every element. So header width will be padding. I'm going to add padding equal to 2 rem. Padding 5 rem. Yes, it's same padding here also, and padding here also. Done. So this is much easier than before. So basically first I have to initialize every element's grid area, then I'm going to add template column in my wrapper in a grid template area. Each inside the string, each element represent a column and each string represent a row. So this is the main thing you have to understand. Each beside into the string, every element represent column and every string represent row. This thing we have to remember.